Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to see Snapchat call history on your mobile phone. So, in order to see the Snapchat call history, you'll have to first of all open the Snapchat application, then click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. After you click on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profile page where you can click on the settings icon, that is gear icon at the top right of the screen. Now scroll down at this page and get to the bottom, and you will see My Data option just at the top of Logout button at the bottom. Click on My Data and it will take you to this page. Here you'll have to just click on Next button. Now as you can see, it is data available for download, so it will include all the elements that is available here. It will also include your Snapchat call history. Click on Next button, choose the amount of time period for which you want to see the call history. I will choose 2 years, then click on Submit. After this, you'll have to enter your email address in this field and click on Submit. Make sure you enter your email address here, click on Submit, after which, as you can see, it says Export Progress. We are still processing your last data request. Just wait for an hour or day until they send you the data on your Gmail. You'll have to just open an email that you will receive from Snapchat, and in that email, you will see the Snapchat call history available. So that is how you do it. If you found this really helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.